In some other news, BJP announced its pick for the Lok Sabha elections for 2019 yesterday. It released the first list of 184 candidates in which the Prime Minister is going to be contesting from Varanasi. Party President Amit Shah has replaced LK Advani in Gujarat Gandhinagar. Home Minister Rajnath Singh will contest from Lucknow, while Nitin Gadkari will be preparing his fight from Nagpur. Smriti Irani and Congress Chief Rahul Gandhi will once again lock horns in Uttar Pradesh's Amethi constituency for the second time. The party has dropped 6 sitting MPs in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Lok Sabha elections will begin on the 11th of April and it continues for over a month till the 19th of May across 7 phases, followed by the counting of votes on the 23rd of May.
With days to go for the big election battle, BJP has named its warriors.
कुल मिलाकर के हम 182 कैंडिडेट्स आज अभी डिक्लेयर करने वाले हैं.
Late evening on Sunday, Health Minister JP Nadda announced the first list of BJP's Lok Sabha candidates with 184 names.
श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी.
While Prime Minister Narendra Modi is all set to contest from Varanasi, top ministers like Rajnath Singh will fight from Lucknow, Nitin Gadkari from Nagpur, MOS Home Kiran Rijiju will contest from Arunachal West, and MOS PMO Jitendra Singh will fight from Udhampur. Smriti Irani and Congress Chief Rahul Gandhi will lock horns in the Amethi constituency for the second time. In 2014 elections, Irani contested against Rahul, and though she lost, she managed to reduce his winning margin.
अगर ये राहुल जी खुद ना समझते हो तो कांग्रेस के लिए चिंता का विषय है कि जो उनके अपने क्षेत्र में ना समझता हो कि क्या काम हो रहा है अथवा क्या क्या कामों को करना अभी बाकी है, तो वो देश को क्या ज्ञान दे रहे हैं विकास का.
फीता काटे थे एक रिले ट्रांसमीटर का और पूछ रहे हैं एफएम स्टेशन काहे बना रहे हैं अमेठी में. अरे भैया, जो रिले ट्रांसमिशन और एफएम स्टेशन के बीच का फर्क ना जानता हो वो सांसद विकास के ऊपर ज्ञान दे, ये कितना शोभा देता है. यह कांग्रेस के लिए चिंतन और चिंता का विषय है.
But it is the dropping of BJP veteran LK Advani which has raised eyebrows. Now BJP Chief Amit Shah will contest the Lok Sabha election from Gandhinagar, a seat held by stalwart Advani. The 91-year-old has served as Home Minister and Deputy Prime Minister of the country and has won the Lok Sabha election from Gandhinagar 6 times. It's clear that in its first list, BJP has relied on its top ministers, hoping that they will be able to replicate the success of 2014 this time too.
The highlight of the BJP candidate list, of course, was the candidature of BJP President Amit Shah from the constituency of Gandhinagar in Gujarat in place of sitting Member of Parliament LK Advani. Of course, Amit Shah's was the only name announced for the state of Gujarat, and even before the state core group had met with the Central Election Committee of the party. Most sitting Members of Parliament have been repeated by the Bharatiya Janata Party and will be recontesting from their seats for these elections. So not much in terms of a surprise there as far as this first candidate list is concerned for the Bharatiya Janata Party. With camera person Shakil Ahmed, Paulami Saha in Delhi for India Today.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.